I met a boy.
Yung iba sinasabi nila that love is like a bubble gum. No? Bakit kaya bubble gum? Kasi pagka ninunguya daw at pumutok, nakakablong daw.
Across the room. Don't be a fool. Love can drive you crazy, but those butterflies will keep you cool. It feels so real.
Ayoko yung box eh. May pagkain eh.
Hindi ko pa nabibigyan na pinapabuksan.
Sobrang caring naman ng nanay natin.
Nanay ko, bakit ba?
Ano mo dapat si mama papuntahin na natin sa lobby?
Those butterflies are working double time with all these wounds to heal.
Mabali ka doon.
Mali ako rin.
Every time I feel it all down, he helps me up, except for when he's high. I never get to meet with his friends, but that's okay, cause he can
Christian
get
Paul,
really shy.
huminga ka na ng malalim. Sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging may bahay si Juni May Marie na narito ngayon na nagsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
And butterfly makes three.
Alam mo, tutumba na ako. Nandun lang ako sa... Uy! Yan, number 1, take videos and BTS. Pero yung hindi sagabal sa photographer, syempre.
Don't need nobody else but you. Oh, I'm such a fool for making you the secret. I'm so cruel.
Palakpakan po natin sina Christian Paul at Juni May Marie sapagkat sila po ay ganap ng kasal.
The wings of my butterflies, but baby, I'm the one who broke your rule. Baby, I'm the one who broke your rule.
Sa mga oras na ito, nasaksihan at masasaksihan po natin ang desisyon nila Christian Paul at Juni May Marie sa kanilang pag-iibigan.
Short lang naman yung gusto kong sabihin sa'yo. To my pui-pui, to my home, the last 5 years with you have been the happiest of my life.
Sweet laugh, big heart. You smile that could light up the dark.
To Chris once asked me this simple question over lunch. Ano ba yung gusto ko sa lalaki? Sabi ko, simply, yung mayaman. Tumawa siya, sabi niya sa akin, huwag mo hanapin yung mayaman. Marry a man with a good character. Simula noon, yun lang yung nag-iisang tumatak sa utak ko for the longest time.
Cause when you walk into a room, life gets a little sweeter. When I look at you, I see a little clearer. Through the years and every change, we'll put up a fight. Cause you're my love.
I want a man with a good character. Lalaki na mahal ang magulang niya. Kasi kung mahal niya yung magulang niya, for sure, mamahalin niya rin ako patulad ng pagmamahal niya sa magulang niya.
Okay naman mag-hug. Excited ako sa bagong chapter ng hindi lang ng buhay ko, pero buhay nating tatlo.
Panindigan mo yung chapter ng buhay mo. We always wish you the best sa inyong pamilya.
Worked hard.
For to 2018, I met you sa Bullseye. Daming nangyari, maganda, at may pangit. Then we became officially together 2020. Pero sabi mo nga, crush mo ko nun. So ito ako ngayon, tinupad ko yung pangarap mo, mapapang-asawa mo na ako.
Cause when you walk into a room, life gets a little sweeter. When I look at you, I see a little clearer. Through the years and every change, we'll put up a fight. Cause you're my love, my everything.
Juni May Marie, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Christian Paul na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
We've shared 5 beautiful years of love, facing both our highs and lows. And finally, we're getting married.
'Cause when you walk into a room, life gets a little sweeter. When I look at you, I see a little clearer.
An uneventful life, walang drama, pero punong-puno ng saya, mga bagong experiences every day. Alam mo, yun ang pinagdarasal ko palagi at pinagdarasal ko para sa buhay natin ahead. This is what I vow for you, baby. Love, you're crazy.
So ito na yung pagkakataon mo, Christian Paul, para gawin ang sacred kiss. Kiss the bride.